Okay, for this one it says blood type is inherited through multiple alleles, including IA, IB, and lowercase I. That means blood type A, blood type B, and then blood type O. A child has blood type A if the father has type AB blood. What are the possible phenotypes for the mother? So we can try it with a Punnett square, in which case we can put a cell in here like that, or we could say that the child can be IA, lowercase I, or IA. So what would have to go over here is this. So the mother could be homozygous for A, or could also be heterozygous for A, or could also be O. So what we could put, and it's just asking what the phenotype of the mother would be. So if it's O, we know that's a possibility because the I and the O, or excuse me, the I and the A. So A would be the answer. On this one we're looking at female cows with white and then male cows with red, and this is a case of codominance where they would be the same. So we could say that white is codominant to red, and so if we have a white-coated bull, it would be 2 capital W's, and a red-coated would be 2 R's, and so your Punnett square would look like this. Explain how a roan calf results from 1 white and 1 red parent. The roan calf receives a white allele from one parent and a red allele from another parent, resulting in a roan calf with the alleles WR. Predict the possible genotypes and phenotypes of the offspring of 2 roan cattle. So we would have a roan crossed with a roan, so you get a Punnett square that looks like this, which would be 25% chance of white cattle, 25% of red, and 50% of roan. And the allele, or the genotypes, would be as follows. Okay. We'll go over those other ones later. Let's do this one now. This is on page 37. Genetic engineering has led to genetically modified plants that resist insect pests, and bacterial and fungal infections. Which outcome would most likely be the reason why some scientists recommend caution in planting genetically modified plants? So what is most likely the reason why there could be a warning about GMOs, right? This is what we're talking about, GMOs. Unplanned ecosystem interactions, reduced pests. So we're looking for something that is bad about GMOs in this particular question. Okay, unplanned ecosystem interactions. That's a possibility. Reduced pesticide and herbicide use. That's a good thing, so we want to cross that out. Improved agricultural yield and profit. That's a good thing. Increased genetic variation and diversity. That's a good thing. So we only have one bad thing on this list, and that is your answer. Okay, these other ones we're going to do later on in Module 6 and Module 7, and that's it.